Today I'm going to show you how I turned a $25 product into over $20,000, okay? Here I made just shy over 20 grand, and I got 200 pending and 220 payable. Now this pending will move over here by tomorrow because we get paid every Thursday, okay? Every Thursday. Like I said, I'm transparent. Now this is through affiliate marketing, and this is the best vehicle I've found for beginners, okay? And I've tried Facebook drop shipping, I've tried drop shipping, I've tried phone flipping, I've tried a whole bunch of shit, okay? So I know you've probably scrolled through the internet, typed make money online into YouTube, and found a 10-minute video where it says full course affiliate marketing. Now, I'm not the smartest person alive, but I recognize that all that knowledge fit into a 10-minute video. If you do that, you're one of the baddest motherfuckers I've ever seen in my life, okay? If you can fit all your knowledge and process into a 10-minute video, I'm interested if you have mentorship. So get at me, put it in the comments. But this is going to be about a 10 video series that I'm going to lay out day by day, step by step, okay? Click by click. I'm going to share my screen back here and show you exactly what I've done. We're going to be going over leveraging social media to acquire leads, such as Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. You can use Pinterest. There's a whole slew of them out there, social media platforms, okay, guys? We're going to be going over email autoresponder, okay? We're going to be going over landing pages and funnel builders. This is the $25 product, which is a funnel builder. And if you know anything about affiliate marketing, you know that you're going to need a landing page. And in order to have a landing page, you're going to need a funnel builder, okay? Now, this is the funnel builder I use. You can use ClickFunnels, but that's hundreds of dollars. I think it's $210 for the highest package for unlimited funnels. This funnel builder is $25 for unlimited funnels, okay? And not to mention, it's 80% commissions. 80% commissions. I think ClickFunnels is like 10%. I know it's not 80. So with that being said, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step, click by click in this video series. Little backstory. I got in trouble for DUI, guys, and I spent a year in jail, okay? And as I was spending a year in jail, I was sitting on my bunk, I was observing everybody. And I knew that this ain't for me, okay? People are talking about, ramen noodle soups and trade them. I'm thinking about how I can make a monthly passive income when I get out. How are these people making this money on the internet? How? I want to know how. So, and I've always wanted to know ever since I was 17, 18 years old, and I remember typing in how to get rich on Google. I knew there was a way. I found Amway, Zija. This was back in 2010, 11. I read Rich Dad, Poor Dad back in high school. I'm sure all of you have read that. I actually got them back there. But, I knew there was a way. I didn't know how to do it. What's the process? I found Forex back then. I didn't get into it then. I didn't get into any of those because drinking got in the way, okay? So after you remove all that bullshit from your life, you see clarity and you see through clear eyes. And that's what I did when I got out. I started on YouTube, how to make money online. And I found a mentor, and he taught me the exact blueprint on how to do it. And that's what I'm about to outlay right now, okay? So with that being said, buckle up, like the video, subscribe, please. I want to get this out to as many people as I can. Because you don't have to buy a course, but I understand if you pay attention. People are probably going to take this free course for advantage. Oh, it's free. It's only shows you a portion of it. This is everything. This is every single thing that you need to know about affiliate marketing. So, we go over autoresponder, emails for autoresponder, the products to use, the apps you're going to need to download on your phone, okay? How to set up your funnel builder. Those will be in the later videos. It'll be day 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. But with that being said, don't take this for granted. I'm going to leave the video right here. That'll be the video, the first video of this series, okay, guys? So I'm giving away this series for free, like I said. You might be asking, well, why are you giving this away for free? How do you make money? Well, I make money through the affiliate tools that you're going to need. That's how I make money. Most of these other YouTubers are selling courses, okay? So they sell you the course. You go through the course after you paid for it, $9.97, $4.97, whatever. Then after you do that, you're still going to need the tools that they tell you to get anyway, which is for good reason. You're going to need them. And so they make money off the course and the tools you're going to need anyway through their affiliate links. I was in a Zoom call with Alex Hormozy, and because my mentor promoted his new book, and he was in the top 5. I think he was number 4 in the world that promoted his book. So the top 5 people, Alex Hormozy did a Zoom call with each of their groups and their following. So my mentor, I was in his group, so I got to attend that. And what he explained was the best way for affiliate marketers to pretty much promote their products is to give away a shit ton of value up front. Okay? You know, I have nothing to sell you. This is all the value. And you pretty much got to over deliver on your value. For people who are like, well, I'm stupid to not even do this. That is what I'm doing. I'm giving away the course for free. And then I just make money off the affiliate links and stuff off the back end, which you're going to need anyway, such as the funnel builder, autoresponder, and all that. So that's how I make money. Now, I'm about to show you right here, and we're about to hop right into this. So like I said, you're not going to want to miss anything. Like, follow, subscribe. I'm transparent. Ask me anything, and you can ask me anything. I'll leave a link down below. That's my private Facebook group. It's for free. I'm in there. I'm active. That's where I thought it would be best for everyone to congregate. So if anybody's got any questions whatsoever, they can ask me. Shoot in there, ask me, and I'm available. Right off this phone right here. This old Fold or Z Fold or whatever it is. So with that being said, I'm leaving the link below. Like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, and we'll get rocking and rolling. I get straight to the point. Some of them may be long, some of them not. I try to trim it down as much as possible, but you got to do what you got to do. If it takes 30 minutes to show you how to set up the funnel builder, it takes 30 minutes to set up the funnel builder. So with that being said, I'll see you guys later.